Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ki Samla Pule jongka Kiang Nangbah Government College ki badan pok Ksatri jongka Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union kila aipor tang Bnai Sorkar Jylla bahkan pinbit pinbiang no ya ki jingdan kam jongni college bat kila berngamru balada ka Sorkar Jylla kamla bande ai hapo Bnai kumba kila dawa kimban se ban shim da ki wei pat kilat kilinti ki bakham teng kaban poi wat hadu uput ban khang kerdap sendon wat yakni ka college ha ka jingi kendo bagila pathai kubor hene ka sngi ka khat khandai tarik Bnai leber arjar khat khandai ha Shillong Press Club ka Samla Jerina lamari ka beri president jong ka KNGCSU kale thu ba minta ka sngi ki Samla Pule ki lalek ban bu ekator khas jingdawa Ahmad director Jagatnath Higher and Technical Education bat kumju ru sha menteri ka Sorkar Jylla ubadai pej Jagatnath Pule puthi umalak men remboi ringkat lightly kimat jingdawa.
There are three main issues that the college is facing very badly right now. These are the girls' hostel, the boys' hostel, and the morning lecturers. Regarding the girls' hostel, it has been completed from 2015, which is till date is not yet functioned. Many deserving girl students of the college have to stay in a rented house, which is very costly for them, for they have come from a very poor financial family. And we are very unhappy with the government for not taking the spending issues seriously till date. And regarding the boys' hostel, it has been renovated since 2015, but it is not yet completed till date. The same case here, more deserving students have to stay in a rented house. So in this regard, with these two issues, the government official has promised many times that they will take up a serious action regarding this problem which the students are facing. But till now, there is no positive action being taken. So we the Students' Union are against the delay of the renovation of the boys and the inauguration of the girls' hostel. We discussed the issues today with the Education Minister, and he said he will do his best regarding to solve this issue as earlier as possible. And regarding the morning lecturer, their salaries is for only 5,000 monthly, and despite the salaries was very low, the government is delaying to pay them for more than a year. So this caused the lecturer to stop taking class, and it causes a lot of problem for the morning students. The students are suffering badly since their first internal test. Very few lecturers came to take their class, so the students are suffering regarding internal tests, and mainly without explanation and notes, it's a big problem for them to appear the external exam. Every year, the pass percentage of the students of Kiang Nangbah is very low, especially for the morning section. It's because the government are not paying their salaries regularly, and so the lecturers are not regularly taking their class. So we have discussed these issues also today with the Education Minister to enhance their salaries, but regarding this, the Education Minister told us that no financial decision can be taken till date, because the Education Department is facing a financial problem. But this financial problem of the Education Department is not just of this year, but it's from the past 4 to 5 years till date. So if the government won't solve it now, then when will they solve it? This problem, in this regard, we are very disappointed with the government. And so if the government won't solve this issue within 1 month, we from the student side, we have got no other choice rather than to take agitation against the government. We will closing down the college. We will not attend any class, and we will boycott class.